ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sheena Jones. I want to share with you an opportunity that I recently joined on the 21st of April, ladies and gentlemen. So I joined it this month. It is affordable to get in. It does cost a one-time $9 to get started. So it's affordable for everyone to join. And the best part about this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, is you do not have to recruit anyone at all in order to make money here. Let me say that again. You do not have to refer a single person to earn, ladies and gentlemen, with this opportunity. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play this overview video for you so you'll have an understanding of what this platform is and how it works. And then I'm going to show you my back office as well as the compounding calculator. So without any further ado, let me go ahead and play this video for you.
Hey guys, this is going to be a quick overview, another opportunity for those who want to take part of it. And I hope this video is informational. This is just going to be a little bit of a quicker overview of this project. Now, we are talking about crypto's OTC trading platform. COTP is more of what it's known. So I'm on COTPS.com. This is the home page here. Now, this is not mainly, but I mean, it's more mobile friendly. So you can see here, I'm on my a mobile view. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner than my desktop version. But for review sake for you guys, I'm going to do the big desktop version. And they do have an app for Android. So as you guys come in here, you can go on the Google Play. There are some fake apps, so be careful of those. So just go to COTPS.com. If you do want to end up downloading the app, you can just use the web version though. So, I use both. Anyway, let's talk a little bit about this project and what is going on here. So I'm in this transaction hall tab, and this is where all the money making is happening. And let me give a little bit of some background of this project. Now, officially, from what I can go back and verify, this was launched November of 2021. Okay, so I'm just going to go off that official date and what I can actually verify. Now, this is an exchange arbitrage platform system that we're using. If you go back to home, let me show you here. If you want to go to this official button, it's going to go to cotps.net, and they've got a little bit of just some friendly information, their technology that they're using, their service, and they talk a little bit about OTC, over the counter. If you're not familiar with that, you guys can look this stuff up. I don't want to go too deep into this. I just want this to be a little bit quicker overview so you guys can have a base understanding of what is going on. But COTP, they are using a high frequency transaction algorithm system to take advantage of arbitrage opportunities. So in crypto, there are what's called stable coins. If you're familiar with stable coins, USDC, USDT, or Tether, this platform uses USDT TRC20. That means we're using Tether on the Tron network, which is a huge bonus. TRC20 is a lot cheaper than other of the networks, and it's quick. So what's happening with this exchange, this platform, is we're using USDT and we are finding price discrepancies. So when I say arbitrage, that means there is a price discrepancy between, let's say, two exchanges. On one exchange, it's lower. On another exchange, it's higher. So this system is going through and it's finding those opportunities where, hey, I can buy low here and I can sell at a higher price with this guy or with this exchange. So that is what's happening with this platform. In short, that's really it, you guys. We're using USDT, which is a stable coin, which makes the risk even lower. And, that's just a bonus there, using that kind of stable coin with this arbitrage system. And to earn, it is pretty simple. Now, there are two ways to go about this. If you go in the transaction hall, you can come in here and place orders manually. You can click this button, immediate competition for orders, and it's going to search through suppliers or buyers, and it's going to give you some information here. If you guys want to take this, which most of the time, when I go through, I just sell, and then there's a confirm button. I don't want to do that here because I don't want these trades to go in, but that is essentially all you do. Now, when your wallet balance is above $5, so let's say you guys put 1,600 in, okay? Let's say this is your amount. You are going to do this process, and every single time it's going to take a chunk of your wallet balance. So it's going to take 823, and it's going to put it in this transaction. So you're going to have about $800 left, and it's going to keep taking a percentage chunk out of your wallet balance until your wallet balance gets under $5. Now, once your balance is under $5, you can no longer place any more trades. If you try to, it's going to say, hey, I need more than $5 in here to place more trades. So at that point, let's say your wallet balance is under $5 and everything is in transactions, okay? And you can scroll down here. If this doesn't show on your desktop, just refresh the page, or your mobile. If you're on the web version, just refresh this to view the profit amounts here, because it's telling you for each of these trades. Like the last time I did a trade was at 8:05 in the morning, so that was 35 minutes ago. It's telling me I put 47,000 in that first trade, and I'm going to make 142 from that trade alone. Now, I call this whole process here of orders one cycle. So when you go through here and you keep placing multiple trades until your wallet balance gets under $5, I call that one cycle, and there are multiple trades in a cycle. And there are about 11 windows of opportunity throughout a 24-hour period where we can do this, because what's going to happen is all of these trades are going to take around 2 hours and 10 to 20 minutes, okay? That's how long it's going to take for all of them to move back from our transaction balance to our wallet balance. And at that point, this is very important, okay? It's very important that the transaction value is 0 and it's all back in your wallet balance before you guys start placing more trades. Now, this is if you do the manual version, but I'm also explaining to you how this whole transaction portion works. But you guys can come through here, like you can see my previous days, actually not previous days, I mean for the whole day, all the different cycles that I've done, and the trades within that cycle. And this orange text here is going to be the profit. So that is how you guys can go through manually clicking it and kind of understand this whole concept of placing transactions. Remember, you're doing it multiple times. So every single time you do this, it's going to search, you're going to hit the sell button, and you're going to hit there's a confirm button on the next page, and you're going to rinse and repeat that until your wallet balance gets under $5. Now, here's a cool report. If you click this income statistics, this question mark icon, you will see that it will tell you, and let me refresh here. So this is the profit, my profit column here. If you refresh it, if you do this on desktop, it's going to look a little bit cleaner, but you can see for every single day so far today, for example, I've made 1,328. Yesterday, I made 2,600. The day before that, 2,000. So if you guys want to see a quick overview on a daily basis, this is where you can go. Now, 10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, midnight Eastern Standard Time, this data right here is going to reset, okay? And that's where it's going to say, all right, here's the previous day, now let's go on to the next day. That's the timeline on the reporting and the resetting structure. Now, let's talk a little bit about the profits, okay? Now, I showed you this whole portion right here is a one cycle, and you have about 11 windows of opportunity, because if I pull up my calculator, we've got 24 hours in a given day, and we're doing this around, about every 2 hours. It's a little bit more than that, but 2 hours, we'll just do this actually, 24 divided by 2.2, because that's roughly when the transaction balance is all back in your wallet balance. So there's about 11 windows of opportunity. And every single time you do one of these cycles, it's about a 0.3% profit that you are getting, okay? So we're taking the 10.9, or about 11 windows of opportunity, 11 times during the day that you can do this, and we're timesing that by 0.3%. So if you are doing this and not getting any sleep, because it's going to be every 2 hours and 10 to 20 minutes, and if you're sacrificing sleep and waking up, setting alarms, then yes, potentially the opportunity over 3%, 3 to 3.3% is roughly what I'm looking at. That is a possibility of how much we can be earning with this platform. No guarantees. It's going to be dependent on how often you guys are doing this, or For those joining this team, if you're watching this video, then we do have an automated way to do this. And we have guides and instructions, but instead of manually clicking, for those of you who want to click, I don't know what the exact qualifications, if there are, in order to receive the automation, but there is automation that we have available for this team. And that's going to take away all the manual clicking, all the alarms that you need to set, and it's going to do it all for you. Now, it's going to be a little bit more of a work to get it set up. You're going to need a VPS or a virtual computer, if you know what that is, to have this running 24/7. And speaking of that, yes, this is 7 days a week because we're talking about crypto. And crypto never sleeps, right? So it is Sunday through Saturday. We have the potential to earn these amounts, 0.3% per cycle completed, 11 times that you can get it per day. Pretty insane stuff. Now, this is how all of this works. You can deposit whenever you want. And speaking of deposits, let's talk about the withdrawals, because I know a lot of people come in and they ask the question, maybe even before coming in, saying, well, how does the withdrawal work? So if I go to this Mine tab, bottom right, we can do a withdrawal, and we can see on here that it's going to be a 0.3% fee rate. So that's going to scale depending on how much you want to withdraw. So if I want to withdraw 1,000, it's going to take $3 away, you know. So that's not a crazy amount. And like if I was withdrawing 20,000 bucks, actually, let me just see real quick, just so you guys can see. I mean, 0.3% is not a lot. So I'm really glad, like 60 bucks. Okay. If I'm withdrawing 20,000, then it's going to take away 60 bucks. And speaking of 20,000, this is how much you can request per withdrawal. Now, I will note that you can do an unlimited amount of withdrawal requests a day. It's just 20,000 per that specific withdrawal request is the limit. So if I drop in 100,000 and I want to withdraw that all the same day, because guess what? We have that flexibility. Isn't that crazy? You guys can drop in $100,000. And if you want to withdraw all of it, let's say you come in early in the morning and you make 3% for the day and it's the evening time, you can withdraw your initial capital, you can withdraw your profits made all at that same time. You will just have to break it up into, I don't know what, 4 or 5, possibly 6 different withdrawal requests, because you can only do 20,000 per request. Now, another question is, well, how long do these withdrawals take? So I can withdraw essentially whenever I want, as long as I don't have a balance here in my transactions, as long as I don't have my money, my balance in transactions, I can withdraw. That means anything that's showing up in my wallet balance, yes, you can withdraw that. And the question is, how long is it going to take? And honestly, guys, it takes a few minutes. And I'm not even kidding about that. Majority of the time, it's going to take a few minutes to get to your wallet address. Now, it is USDT TRC20 in, and it's USDT TRC20 out. So you need to have a TRC20 address for Tether. And that's just how it's going to work. Okay. So there are multiple exchanges or crypto wallets, multi-asset wallets that offer this. So if you need to ask around or do some digging, do that, because that's the only way that you're going to be able to do this. So that's how the withdrawals work, you guys. I'm not even kidding. Let me just show you my withdrawal records. This was 20,000 and 20,000 I did on Friday. And these all came in within a few minutes. So I did 2 separate ones. And because $20,000 is the limit per request, like I said earlier, but I withdrew 40,000 all the same day, and I got it within minutes for each one, which is just insane. So we have that flexibility and that uniqueness here with this platform. So take that as you want. You guys are going to do your own conservative or aggressive medium level type of approach here. Just remember, the percentages that we're getting, potentially up to 3.3%, and you can withdraw whenever you have a wallet balance amount available. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now let's talk a little bit about the security, because that's an important part as well. Now, you have to register with your phone number. It's a valid phone number, and they're going to send you a code multiple times as you go throughout this project, this platform, and interact with it. Now, they're going to send you anytime that you do a withdrawal, they're going to send you a verification code to your phone. When you first come in and make your account, you're going to come into this personal information and you're going to make this transaction password as well. So to make your transaction password, you need to verify your phone number code again. So it's a lot of code verifications to make sure you are you and it's not somebody else trying to scam or hack into your account, which is awesome. So we have that security for those two portions there for withdrawing. Now, this identity authentication is going to be your place where you submit your KYC. Now, the KYC is only for security purposes. They state that they are not collecting data. And when you submit your KYC, honestly, all it is a selfie with your driver's license. So you're going to put it up your face like this. They're going to have an image example to show you. And then that's it. The authentication honestly takes roughly 10 to 15 minutes from my observation. So it's more of an automated verification system, which is nice. And they use that to verify. So when you guys do a withdrawal, sometimes you will see this face recognition authentication. So when you click start certification, it's going to pop up your webcam and you need to take a selfie just of your face so they can verify that you are you. So lots of security in place, you guys. Pretty insane stuff. And lastly, I will end on this. For those of you who have a network or a team that you like to share to and bring into projects and share with them, they do have an affiliate option here, okay? So in the Mind tab, click on Invite Your Friends, and you will see that they do have a 3-tier system. And this is all profit-based. There's no fast start deposit bonuses or anything. It's just when you have people under you, whatever they earn, COTP will pay a portion from their end to match these percentages. Okay, so if I have somebody that I refer and they earn $1,000 for the day, COTP is paying me 15%, which is 150. So they are paying me 150 on top of the 1,000 that was earned from my direct referral, which is amazing. And here's the even better part, you guys. This is all real-time earnings, which means every 2 hours, and that's when trades are in transactions, and when they come back, you get that profit. Every time that happens, you also earn commissions real time on the daily, every 2 hours. If that is what your team under you is doing, if they're on top of it and earning every 2 hours, guess what? You are earning every 2 hours with them. So if I click the My Team, let me just share and show you guys really quick. This team tab, all right, I've got 3 different levels. And my residual income's telling me from level 1, so far since the last time that I did a withdrawal, I've earned $200. And if I want to move that to my wallet balance, all I need to do is click receive. And I'll just do that real quick actually to show you guys. If I go to my level 2, it's saying, okay, since the last time that you've clicked the receive button, you've gained 136. And my level 3, I've gained 45 the last time since I've clicked this button. And if I go back to my transaction hall, my wallet balance has now increased just based off of clicking those 3 buttons and earning. So everything here, honestly, from my understanding and discussions, is almost all automated. There are some points of control, but I mean, from my observations and interacting with this platform, it's pretty smooth. We're dealing with this exchange arbitrage. Every 2 hours, you got trades coming back to our wallet balance, and we can come and go extremely, extremely easy. Okay. And things are fast. I'm not waiting days or weeks to get any of my funds. It is same day. It is within minutes. And if by chance you guys do run into issues or have questions, if you go to the home tab, let me move myself here. Click this chat icon, and if you are on mobile, it's going to be a little bit easier to see. You can click this chat icon, and it's going to open up a chat with support. So you can chat with support if, let's say, for example, you did a withdrawal and you've waited an hour. It typically doesn't take that long. I had one of my friends say, hey, it's taken this long. I still haven't received it. So I told them, hey, chat with support. And they were able to, I don't know exactly what happened, but get that sent out. Okay. So if you guys do end up having any issues or questions, you can go to the home tab, click on that chat icon top right, and hopefully support can answer your questions, help you guys out. So with that, I think that is a good enough overview with this platform. You guys can come in if you want, if this is something that you find interesting, and come in, try it out. And again, the current setup is, if I wanted to come in and test out 10,000 bucks, 1,000 bucks, $100, see how it works. If I don't like it, I can leave the same day. Like I said, I did a test withdrawal when I first came in here just to see how it all worked. And I withdrew this 10,989. This was my full amount, okay? And I just wanted to test it. There was a 0.3% fee rate, but I wanted to just test it out and see. So I know personally that this works, and I do withdrawals, guys, on the weekly, on the daily, and I have not had any issues. So when it comes to how this platform is working, just from an overview level, how these transactions work from the manual standpoint, and for this team, an automated level, we've got something special here, I believe. So get back to whoever shared this with you, and enjoy, guys.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so there you have it. That was the overview video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually go to my account. So ladies and gentlemen, this here is my account, and I deposited, actually, I'm trying to think, it was $93. As you can see here, I deposited $93 on the 21st. I have not been really active with the account at all. Like I said, I'm just testing it out. But let me go ahead and go down. And I did verify my identity. I uploaded that ID. And let me show you guys here what it would look like. Okay, I already did all this. So, and then you see it says pass. So I did that. And now, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do is, now I'm going to show you how to go ahead and start doing the trades. It's so straightforward, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to click right here where it has transaction hall. So let's click that. And then remember the video, how he was talking about, it's so simple. All you got to simply do is just click. So this is what we're going to do here. We're going to simply click here, ladies and gentlemen, and just watch. So we're going to click there. Okay, found one for us. We're going to click on sell. Okay, and then we simply click confirm. Now we're going to keep doing this, ladies and gentlemen, until our wallet balance continues to get down. Okay, now once again, let's do it again. We're going to click here. Okay, we're going to click sell. And then let's wait till it loads, and then we're going to click confirm, and then we're going to do it again. Click it again. We're going to click sell again. And then, okay, confirm again, and then look at our wallet balance, ladies and gentlemen, is $6. So we can do one more trade. And then we're going to click sell. So ladies and gentlemen, we have a total of 4 trades going for us. Okay, I click confirm, and then our wallet balance is $1. So we can't trade anymore, ladies and gentlemen, since we have $1. And I'm going to show you what happens if you try to click it. If your balance is $1 or under 5, your balance is lower than 5. You've seen that come up, that error message. So ladies and gentlemen, it's so simple. Can you simply click? Just simply click. That's all I'm doing. And you can also set this up where it's automated for you. You have the option to do that as well, ladies and gentlemen. And all that's going to be in the comment section. I'm sorry, in the description section under this video, as well as in the comment section, how to set every single thing up. But we're not done yet, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to get out of here. We're going to go back to Facebook. Okay. And let me see. Let's get out of that. We're going to go ahead and get on the calculator, ladies and gentlemen, because I do want to show you guys this. So remember I said it does cost, the minimum to get started, ladies and gentlemen, is $9 in USDT TRC 20. Remember, TRC 20, ladies and gentlemen. It's $9, but remember with gas fees, you want to always put a little extra. So I would recommend putting $11. Okay, we did that, and you earn daily is 3%. Okay, and then right here you can put the years, months, days, that is going to keep going. Let's say you want to have this going for 2 years for yourself. Included weekends, yes, you earn 7 days a week from what you guys heard in the video. Any additional deposits, we're not going to do that. Today is April 23rd, 2022, ladies and gentlemen. So let's say it's the day that we start, and we click here on calculate. So it's going to calculate for us, and then you have here where it has daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. So it's going to show you all your earnings. So we're going to go ahead and go to weekly. So remember, we started with, we're going to say $11 we put in. But look, okay, let's get on. You see here how, okay, total earnings day one from us trading 33 cents. Okay, $2.93, $6.14. These are balances over here, ladies and gentlemen, in this section. And I know a lot of you thinking, well, that's not a lot. Yeah, it doesn't look like a lot right now, but it is compounding, ladies and gentlemen. It's spiking up higher and higher and higher. And this is just weekly. Now let's click on monthly. Okay, so a month. And it has the months over here, as you can see. It has all the months going down. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to total earnings. Okay, and then you see here $2.53. Okay, and this is for the month, $22, $71, and you see your balances continuing to go up and up and up. So look at, ladies and gentlemen, just in a month, monthly, in October. Look at this. I want y'all to check this one out. In October, just for you depositing, let's say $10. We're going to do $10. Let's say gas fees are not that high. Just let's say $10. In October of this year, 2022, you're going to have $3,000, ladies and gentlemen, all from a one-time $10 investment. $10. One-time $10 investment. You didn't refer anyone. All you're simply doing is clicking. Or let's say you set up where it's automated for you. Simply clicking. It's affordable, and all you're doing is clicking or setting up automatically. But let's not just stop there, ladies and gentlemen. November, that's around Thanksgiving time. Look, in November, what you will have earned, ladies and gentlemen, $7,000. It gets even better. Look at December 2022, ladies and gentlemen. $18,000, all from a tiny $10 investment. Remember, I said put a little extra for the gas fees, ladies and gentlemen. But it's like, and it just, look, ladies and gentlemen, it continues to go on and on. Look at January of next year, ladies and gentlemen. 47,000. What can you do with 47,000? I can do a lot. 18,000, 7,000. And it's like, this is life changing. But for the simple fact, you don't have to refer anyone, ladies and gentlemen. Period at all. You don't have to do none of that. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested in learning more about crypto, OTP, all the info is going to be in the description section underneath this video, as well as in the comment section underneath this video as well. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a text message at 251-273-1635. You can also reach me on Telegram, WhatsApp, as well as on Facebook, ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested in learning more. But like I said, I'm going to put every single thing in the description section as well as the comment section of this video. Like the gentleman stated in the video, ladies and gentlemen, you can go ahead and test this out. Let's say it's not for you. You can withdraw your money. Make sure you KYC. Just, take a selfie with you and your whatever type of ID that you have. This is available worldwide, ladies and gentlemen, so anyone can sign up, anyone. You can also share this with people for the simple fact you're not recruiting. And a lot of people do not like recruiting. So this is perfect for every single person. But ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. And until next time.